Welcome to the future San Diego High School. We start along Park Boulevard showing a transformed school frontage and improvements to Building 100. Walk up these stairs and you'll find the main campus entrance. Head inside and you will see the main administration lobby, which will serve as a secure campus entry point. Once on campus, step out of the office into a revitalized, student-centered lower quad. Path of travel and landscaping improvements connect the lower quad to the renovated upper quad, where you may find a new food kiosk. Here's another look at the lower quad area. And another look at improvements in Building 100, including the new lobby, student services offices, student collaboration spaces, and a special display case for the historic Gray Castle doors. Learning spaces will be enhanced, and here you can see the Green Engineering Lab and the adjacent Engineering Design Lab. These improvements will be constructed in phases to ensure minimal disruption to teaching and learning during construction. Stay up to date with this and other San Diego Unified projects by visiting fbcprojects.sandy.net.